In this demo, we'll showcase how SoothGPT can streamline complex regulatory processes, such as summarizing laws, drafting compliance tools, and creating public-facing content. By focusing on the electricity law of Saudi Arabia, we'll demonstrate its ability to turn dense legal text into actionable insights for policymakers, businesses, and the public alike. First, let us ask SoothGPT to process the complex legal text of the electricity law to identify and summarize the specific licensing requirements for energy producers. This response will condense dense legal language into actionable insights, making it easy for policymakers to quickly grasp the critical details and stay informed about any recent updates. Now we're asking SoothGPT to create a practical tool, a compliance checklist tailored for private energy companies. This will include specific obligations such as licensing, safety measures, and tariff regulations, with references to the exact clauses in the electricity law. See how SoothGPT can turn regulations into actionable steps. Now we'll show you how SoothGPT can perform a comparative analysis of Saudi Arabia's tariff regulations with global standards. By identifying key alignments and differences, SoothGPT provides valuable insights for adapting policies to enhance competitiveness and sustainability in the energy market. This demonstrates how SoothGPT can simplify complex legal language and answer common questions from consumers, helping improve transparency and public understanding of energy policies.